Hello and welcome to Data Vlog. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I will show you how to perform different numerical calculations in Microsoft Excel. So I have this data of these random numbers and I'm going to perform various numerical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, exponentiation, square root and nth root. So these are the basic calculations that everyone can perform in Microsoft Excel. We do all the numerical calculations or use different Excel functions in the formula bar. So let's begin with addition. To use numerical calculations or to start using any Excel function, we have to begin with equal operator. So for addition, for example, 10 plus 5 returns 15 or 25 plus 15 returns 40. So this way we can perform addition. But I'm going to delete this thing. I'm selecting this cell. I want to add 5 to this particular cell. For that, I'm going to formula bar, type equal to begin with the formula. Select this cell where you want to add and use plus, and I'm adding 5 here. So 77 plus 5, 82. So now you can simply drag down this fill handler to apply the same formula on all of these cells where all of these cells get added with 5. For example, when you select any cell here, you can see the formula A for 59 plus 5, 64 or 65 plus 5, 70. So that's how we can do addition in Excel. Let's go to subtraction. To begin with, to subtract 10 minus 5, 5. That way we can perform using minus operator. So to perform this subtraction on any cell, just type equal to, select the cell and perform minus 5, 77 minus 5, 72. Just drag down the fill handler and you can apply the same formula on all of these cells. Let's go to multiplication. To begin with, 10 into 5, 50. If you want to multiply any particular digit to any particular cell, begin with typing equal to, select the cell, into 5. We use hashtag symbol for multiplication. Previously I showed you can drag down to fill the formula for all of the cells. When you see this plus icon, you can simply double click to expand this formula to rest of the cells, which is called flash filling. Now let's go to the division. To begin with, type equal to 10 by 5, which is 2. So by default it adds 2 decimals. You can increase or decrease decimals by using these two options. Now if you want to divide any particular cell, just type equal to, select the cell, use forward slash and by. So it is 15.40. Just double click on the fill handler and it applies the same formula to the rest of the cells. Let's go to the percentage. Percentage is useful when you want to find out the nth percentage of any digit. For example, I want to find out the 10th percentage of 77. To begin with, type equal to, select the cell, use the hashtag for multiplication. You want to find out the 10th percentage, type 10 and percentage symbol and enter. So 10th percentage of 77 is 7.7, and just expand the fill handler to apply this 10th percentage to all of the cells. Now let's go to the exponentiation, which means applying square or cube or multiplying n number of times. For example, if I want to apply square to this particular 77, type equal to, select the cell, use the cap operator and type 2. Square of 77 is 5929. If you want to find out what is the 3 times of 56, select a digit, use the cap operator, type 3 times of 56. To verify it, you can select any random empty cell, use equal to operator, 56 into 56 into 56, which is same. Now just expand this fill handler and it is going to apply 3 times of all of these numerical values. Now let's go to the square root. To find out the square root, we need to use the Microsoft Excel's built-in square root function. For that, you need to type equal to and start typing sqrt. As you can see, sqrt, the function that returns the square root of any number. Press tab to open this function, select this cell, close the bracket and press enter. And just expanding this fill handler applies square root to all of these numerical values. So if you want to find out the nth root, like cube root or fourth root of any particular digit, just type equal, select the number. Here we are going to use the cap operator and find out nth root. We have to use 1 by n here as an exponentiation. For that 1 by n, here we are going to find out the cube root 1 by 3, press enter. If you want to find out the fourth root, similarly select this digit, cap operator, in the brackets 1 by 4, press enter. So that way we can find out the nth root of any particular number or digit. Just expand the fill handler, it applies the fourth root on all of the rest of these numbers. So this way we can perform different types of basic numerical calculations in Microsoft Excel. So either you can straight away start typing the calculation within the formula bar, or you can select the particular cell or referencing cells to act on those particular cell or to perform calculations on those particular cells. So that's a small tutorial on different numerical calculations that one can perform in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed watching this Excel tutorial. Please do subscribe to Data Vlog for more Excel tutorials, and I will catch you in my next video. Thank you.